So, Mavin tu and show amara kurgli choram. Does anyone know how to say comes?
Sure.
Honigus came. Huggin. Okay, yeah. Tar is the command. Come. Huggin is comes. Okay. All right. Which I think we actually had. Not on this one. Okay. Yeah, Huggin. Okay. So how do you say? If he comes, I will give him €1. Ma Hagen She, right? Yeah, Tori me euro dish. Euro, I'll give him €1. Do. Tori me euro do. Ma Hagen She, Tori me euro do. Okay. How about if she comes? If she comes, I will go with her. Rahime with her. Rahime lay. Okay. How about if he okay, we'll have to work on this one. If he buys it, if he buys it. If he buys it, huh?
She'll leave with him.
Yeah, okay. She'll go with him, okay? If he buys it, she'll go with him, okay? First of all, the word to buy is what? Canny is, pens are acting up against me. Is, okay, canny is the command, buy. They don't know how to say buys. It's cannian. Okay, so how about if he buys it? Mahenian Shay A. She'll go with him. Rahi She Lesh. Okay. Mahenian Shay A. Rahi Shilesh. Okay. So you use the present tense of this and then the future of the other one. Okay? So, that's ma. Now the other thing is the expression, which we've seen before, but not in this particular form. The way you ask someone, what do you need, or it could be what do you want, is karata wet. Literally, what is from you? What is it that is from you? Karata wet. And you can say I want or need. Oops, I think I messed up that one.
I want to need.
The second word on all three of those should be drink. Okay, so you can say tajochwem. That means I need a drink or I want a drink. Tajochwem. Okay, if someone comes in panting and someone says kadtawet and say tajochwem, it would mean kadtawet might be what do you want. Tajochwem, I need a drink. Okay. But someone may say takokwem, it means I want a coke. Okay, so you translate want or need depending on the context. Then this G is another way to say the same thing is kadta igtastawet. Kadta igtastawet is also what you want or need. Okay?
What is it literally, tastawet?
Is sort of what is lacking from you.
But I thought that was when.
That is what is from you.
Okay,
Kadta igtastawet.
what is away from you, and then what is lacking?
Okay, so kadtawet is what is from you. Kadta igtastawet is what is lacking from you.
But then they can both be easily.
They both mean the same
translated
thing.
need.
They both mean the same thing. Yeah.
Want.
Okay. So kadta igtastawet, I haven't like in the English other than the fact that I messed up the English. They're all the same if you noticed. Okay, so kadta igtastawet, what do you need? And you can say tajoch igtastawem. Okay, and the third way you can say it is kadhastian wet. What lacks from you? And you can say tastin jochwem.
Husky and Geall-Cuid.
So there's three ways to say the same thing. Okay, I think the one without the test, without some form of test style or testian, is basically a shortened form of the longer ones. So what is lacking from you is the idea. Okay. So Lexi, Kadahestian wit.
Yeah, let's go.
New flag test out wit. Okay. Kadahestian wit waited. Hestianish. Oh. Okay. Achemgen, Kadatag testa wetcha.
Tastium wem fuel agus propi.
Okay, Hograsort Martian. Agus Pam, Kadatag testa wetcha. Testing te wem, yeah. Okay, I guess. Yeah, I usually put the pronouns at the end of the sentence. So Matthew, kadata wet.
Testian dog Guinness?
Ta jock Guinness swim, right? Okay, I guess Hyun, kadata wetcha.
Tajak Guinness.
Okay, so Guinness wetcha freshen. Okay, I guess Gart, kada hestin wet.
Testian Shkabeha?
When, I say. Okay, I guess Hetzling,
Husky and Vanya. Or Geall-Cuid.
when, yeah, you'd say. Okay, as Rivard, and Desti and Vanya wetcha.
He has been.
Ni hestins, that's the way you'd say that. I guess Kelly and Will Ishkabaha test style wet.
Do I like to drink whiskey?
No, actually, do you want some whiskey? And Will Ishkabaha test style wet, or do you need some whiskey?
Neil.
Yeah, right, Neil. So the question wasn't Will, Neil. When I asked Bob and Dastian, the answer is Tastian or Nihestian. Okay? So if I say it and Will, fuel wet, then it's either Ta or Neil. Okay? What you do is pass around, we'll have a bingo game and then we'll take a break. And you can get your tea and fend for yourself if you're looking for meat. But